Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good morning to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan. From Una Ear Device, Una know say one and only Atafa the Press. Well, my wisdom warriors, family loses everything to a fire in Discovery Bay. A family in Discovery Bay, Senton, is beginning the process of rebuilding after a fire ravaged their home over the weekend. The blaze completely gutted the residents, leaving the family with nothing but the charred remains of their belongings. My wisdom warriors, take a look at this.
The fire still raging. So I said, no. And I come and look. And when I come and look, I saw the fire around the back room. I couldn't enter. And then I went to draw a hose to see if I could do a little thing. And I said, no. And then I call out to my neighbors, call out, fire. And then everybody start get together and try to, but we couldn't do anything. We couldn't do nothing. And it take long because I'll know the fire truck now. I'll know came. Call Senambie and then they call Brownstone. And Brownstone come before. Brownstone came before. But by the time them come, everything gone. Through the fire was raging.
My wisdom warriors, wanna hear what the elders say? The fire brigade, it no surprise me, them always take long. Them always come when the whole place burn down. And on top of that, sometimes they not even have no water in the house. So the inactive, John, no, me no know, God no. Hear more.
A big setback, Big setback, yes. To rebuild this, when it costs us a lot of money now to rebuild it.
It's a big
loss.
My wisdom warriors, Jano, me feel it for them. But you see, this is why me say the Jamaica is not ready for digital and all them something there. If you don't have to pre this, simple little things Jamaican can't solve. Simple little things. So how them want to be a digitalized country? How comes? Me understand and simple little things them can. And at first, them are sitting here happening in my wisdom warriors. A whole heap of time people place them on fire, And by the time the fire truck them coming on my wisdom warriors, the whole of the place them burn down. Remember all the places them where did a burn down all the whole time last year. You remember how much houses burn down? And every come the fire truck them come. Sometimes they all come and no water in the truck. No water. Sometimes they take long hours. Or you have to call fire brigade. And fire brigade that take all hour and 2 hour and 3 hour to come. What's the point? And wellness. These are the things you need to look into. What is the point of even having a fire department? Me have to really laugh, my wisdom warriors. It don't make no sense. You only a waste taxpayer money. You have fire department. But uno is no help at all. And on top of that, uno not have fire truck. The fire department, they need fire truck. They need fire equipment. Yes, they do. Remember, the man did come out, Some fire man did come out and he was explaining the whole situation. You understand, my wisdom warriors? Uno need fire truck. The amount of time, you see the way how see Andrew Wellness invest in a gun, invest in a police car, invest in all these things, soldier this, police that. I wish Andrew Wellness put the same energy and put the same effort in the fire department and in the healthcare department. But those departments that help people mostly, if you don't notice, anything will help Jamaican people, Andrew Wellness not show no interest in it. But talk about care, other day how much care they get again. About 100, I'm not really sure, I'm not really remember. But other day, about 2 weeks ago, how much police care they get again. How much ambulance we need. How much fire truck we need, my wisdom warriors. You see, when I try show you, you see, and you only spend millions of dollars in security, and yet crime still gone up. Crime still gone up. People are dead. So this government fi step down, my wisdom warriors. And you only fi step down, Even the police commissioner, when named Kevin Blake, what is he doing? What is Kevin Blake really doing? Who the hell he is? We want to know, who is he? What is he doing for Jamaica? Him need to step down. You see the type of crime we are going, mass shooting. That police commissioner, Kevin Blake, need to lift up. He's no help to us. He's no what me here talking man say, I'm ready make. Him a ready make police. And I agree with talking man. He is a ready make police. My wisdom warriors, he is a ready make police. What are they doing for the country? What are they really doing? Listen, the country do not have a crime plan. And you only say it out time mouth. And you only say it out time mouth. So they don't need no crime plan where they need a security. And that and you only say. So every time PNP talk about crime plan, but they don't need crime plan, they need security. Invest in a equipment, invest in a gun, invest in a that, all of that. Listen, remember say Andrew only talk, so when him a little youth, he love gun, Remember good, Andrew only say when him a little boy, he used to love gun. No wonder why you see him invest in a this gun business. No wonder, listen, simple as I say Andrew Holness, let me tell you something. It is alleged. Let me use this term. It is alleged that Andrew Holness building own regime in the police force. My wisdom warriors, there's allegations out there. You understand? People are make we know what go on. You get me? And for a prime minister that is spending so much money in the security, for what reason when there's no changes? There's no changes. You understand? That means there's something you're doing wrong. Having more equipment, having more car, it still not make no difference. Still not make no difference. Me na hear una say una go invest in a cameras all over the island. And that me want hear. Put up cameras all over the parishes them. Me na hear that. My wisdom warriors, me can tell you say, the Prime Minister don't know what he is doing. The police commissioner don't have a clue. Me no hear him come out and say nothing. They left everything pan fix Bailey. Everything they left pan fix Bailey. Anyway, wanna tell me what you think because there is something me want to get into. Me want to talk about the taxi driver. Cause me have a video clip where me want to show my wisdom warriors and the taxi driver incident. It really upset my spirit, my wisdom warriors. Really, really upset my spirit. Hear this.
And that's the biggest thing the media tell live on the YouTube, bro. You understand? Because when we talk, they can look in a man's vehicle and come out and the man asks, why are you going to tell my boy I know the car? And the man says, I don't know the car for what? And your box down the lad.
The man slap it back in your face.
You understand? Because the man not take the lick from the boy.
The box on the man, boy.
And then now,
police can reason with the citizens.
My wisdom warriors, you know hear what the youth say? They need police where they can reason with. But me want you to remember say a whole heap of them police are they say depressed. That is out there. We have depression, my wisdom warriors. A whole heap of police depressed and it's still working. Hear more.
Because we are taking people along all over the world, we are taking people like taxi man. So why do I be taxi man and I kill taxi man for?
Yeah, but
and I said, figure better.
in the road, we never put on the breed, we stand up in the road. Stand up in the road, Batman. And justice, we never thrown up in the road. But we stand up, come here, come
Mush is one of the common taxi man. I'm not even running down past in the light here. Because he has been on the road for so long. Now, we have nowhere to park. We park on the roadside. Them give you a little piece of road and say that's a bus park. We have to pay $150 every morning. Now that is just a little piece of road. You cannot roll all of us. We on the roadside. The police harass us daily. Much loading.
The police harass them daily. Only hear that, my wisdom warriors. The police harass them daily. These people not tell no lie, my wisdom warriors. These taxi drivers is not telling a lie. The police, them need to stop this foolishness. But Andrew Holness and Horace Chang me blame. Them forget the blame. These people need to step down. These people need to step down. This is too much now. The crime is really out of control now.
Him car driving out, a police driver and bugs him car. Him barely squeeze past him door, come out. I'm telling this from second hand still, because I wasn't there. And him squeeze, go around the back. Policeman come round the front, box him down. And a little after that, him shoot him, the man go down. One shot wasn't enough. Him give him 3 more. 2 with the last one him give him is when the man up on the ground, him go over him and give him 1 more. So him do, he come to kill him.
My wisdom warriors, wanna hear what the taxi driver say? And every single taxi driver that talk are the same thing them a say. The same thing. Cause you have the police them come out, you know. I don't know if I'm a police commissioner, I don't know if I'm superintendent, but one of them come out and I said the man drama shit. Which that is a lie. You understand? And I saw it go. And that is wrong what they are doing, my wisdom warriors. This is why I'm telling myself to get up and protest. Protest help if you never know. Get up in our hundreds. It is too much. Take in more.
I was one of the persons, I think I was the last person that Bush spoke to before the police shot him. I was coming across the street, exiting a vehicle, and he saw me. And he said to me, "Mums, you ready?" And I said to him, "No, I'm not ready." And he says to me, "All right, may I look 2 more to go." And whilst they're talking to him, he exited his vehicle. So the driver's door was open. A police officer driving a white service vehicle came there and hit his car door. He becomes upset and asking the officer why he hit his car door. The officer started to behave in a manner that it was not conducive. I said to Bush, easy, because this is Satan himself. Bush, I said to him, say, go on, and he walked around to the back of the car. Whilst going around the back of the car, the policeman came to the side and say, is to empty the car. Bush said to him, for what reason? You know, legal for the load here. And be not empty my car. The policeman was about to open the car door, and Bush leaned on the car door. The policeman draped Bush, and Bush took him off of him. After Bush took him off of him, the policeman come again and box Bush. And Bush ease him off again. And he uses I think it is a rifle. He uses it and hit him in his stomach, and he drop on the ground.
Wanna hear these things, my wisdom warriors? Wanna hear these things? Wanna see what the police are do to we? Me want to know so the police is not there for protect we, you know. Me want to know that in Jamaica. The police is there to protect the government, not we the people. I don't need to get that in our head from now.
After Japan was coming up again, and the policeman pushed him down the ground again and shot him. He gave him 3 shots within seconds. While he gave him the shots, after he was on the ground, he walked off about a footstep or so, and he returned, and he gave him another shot at the head.
My wisdom warriors, I hope you not listen, you know. I want to hear what she say. The man walk off, the police walk off, and he come back. You see, these type of police, they get jungle justice. And everybody are going to agree with me. But you see, the way you want to treat the civilians, them, the way you want to treat the citizens of Jamaica, as so if you treat, you know. Yeah. I saw if you treat una not have no respect for we. Una not have no respect for we. I want una go on Google and go check out and know why they even have police placed all over Jamaica. It wasn't to protect the Jamaican people. It was to protect the government of Jamaica, not the Jamaican people, not the people of Jamaica, the government. You understand? This is why I call for my people them all the time to unite, to come together. What this police did is very unacceptable. You understand? Very unacceptable, my wisdom warriors. This nothing happen. But you see, if you go behave like this to the people and think you're going to kill off, and you say, "Uno police boy, no for uno a real idiot." No for uno a real idiot. Because no for uno father run taxi. If you send uno got blouse and skirt school, no for uno too. And look on the treat, uno brothers and sisters. Eh? Look on the treat, uno brothers and sisters. You can't drape up a man, brother. I know you're pitney. You can't box down a man. I know you're pitney, brother. And everybody are going to stand up and take lick. That is a big disrespect. This is why I'm telling the Jamaican people to unite. This is why I call all the time for unite, come out in the hundreds. And I like all the taxi man, them out and them a protest. But I'm telling you something. You see no for no other taxi driver too. You see when you see the taxi operator, them a protest, brother, you need to go join. Because this could have happened to anybody. The policeman could have lick up in anybody car. Sometimes you go on like you don't have no sense and go on like say you more careful than everybody else. You for unite taxi operators. Because I see the man them, you know. I see the man them out there. I see the man them out there, my wisdom warriors, a protest and a demonstrate. And you have taxi drivers still a run taxi. Like a some joke thing. Hey, taxi driver, the whole of them come together, brother.
To me, he thought he did not die, so he was ensuring that he finished killing.
Murderer.
I said to him, "Officer, you look like he's a madman."
Murderer.
I said, "Anything you do, it'll come back command to life."
Cold-blooded murderer.
And I start to plead the blood of Jesus against him. And I'm hurting. You know why? I work at Kingston. And anywhere he see me now leave me, no matter how him full, he's not going to make space for me. Bush is a community-oriented person. A person who display responsibility. Bush, anytime you see Bush once while he's working, he's in his uniform. And he encouraged other taximen to do so. First thing about it, when the police come down there, him not here van boss. They don't know who him. And we are one and now say him a mercenary. And when I heard yesterday on the news, where the policeman has said Bush used cutlass and attack the policeman.
Liar.
When he used that, I was the person he was talking to. He did not go back in his vehicle.
Wanna hear what the lady say? Wanna hear what she say? The police, them come out and I tell lie. But we know say I saw them stay. This is why me personally, at half of the press, me no rate and me no respect non-Jamaican police. Me make that clear out there. Because the whole of them are the same thing. Even if you have some of them who have good heart, once them touch in the department there, the whole of them get corrupt, my wisdom warriors. The whole of them are the rotted all same. The whole of them. That's why me beg you all the while for unite Jamaica.
He did not go back in his vehicle. And I am hurting because it could have happened to my child. It could have happened to my child. And this is why they are selling about the police not brutal. And the worst thing about it, he has no remorse. When he took him to the hospital and come back, come big up in chest and go like he want to fight again. And what happened is that when a civilian out here, if he's a firearm holder, when he discharges firearm, it becomes illegal. What happened to him? If he was in the army this man, he would be charged. And the policeman can't talk about big man use his experience. What kind of experience? He need to withdraw that. All the shots that he got was when he was on the ground. He did not get a shot standing. He did not get a shot standing because it was like this. When everybody around stand up.
My wisdom warriors, I can't hear the pain in her voice. And she was actually there. You hear what she said? She said, he not get one shot standing. He was on the ground. He was on the ground, my wisdom warriors. I have these police. Even when the policeman come there, I listen to Wayne Lonesome. And Wayne Lonesome did a show the policeman. And the policeman, you can't see him, I tell Pierre lie. I saw uno police. I will tell us if I come out, come kill off a citizen. Me want more than like to ask under the question. Who give under the right to come and kill off the citizen of Jamaica? Who give under the right? Who don't have no right to touch my brothers and sisters. No right to touch my brothers and sisters. And me a call upon the Jamaican people who rise up and touch the street. Touch the street and protest. Go out in on the hundreds. Go out in on the thousands. And protest. Because we need justice. We need justice. We not allow this to happen no more on the island. This is too much, my wisdom warriors. And we have to put a stop to it. And your wholeness, you must go. Horace Chang, you must go. Kevin Blake, police commissioner, you must go. You must go. Because from me say you come, me not say you do nothing, brother. More and take instruction for Andrew Holness and Horace Chang. Me not say you put nothing to the table all now, brother. You should never get that position. You should never get that position. What are you guys doing? I mean, see the news media, them have this all over showing on my wisdom warriors. Come and check them, you know. One thing, you know, me check everything. Me go and me check the news media, them. Only two of them put it up. It surprised me. It surprised me. You understand? It surprised me, because what? Will life not count? Eh? The citizens of Jamaica life doesn't count. You don't care. So, Lord Jesus. Mighty God, I'm asking you to intervene.
I could tell it badge number with the boy van. No, me don't want that. You can't tell me that. You understand me? And I'm upset and I am hurting. And the community of Dalvey especially are hurting. And that's why we are here. And until when we can get justice, it will not be resolved.
Thank you, Mums, for standing up and speaking out. Thank you. I respect you that much for doing this. Because I know everybody have the balls. And I know everybody have the guts to come out and speak the truth like what you just do. And I respect you so much for doing that. I respect you so much for coming out and speak the truth. My wisdom warriors, we need more people like this lady. You see how she stand up and she come and she talk her truth? We need more people like her. And when enough people like this, that's why I ask on Jamaican all the while for unite. And probably I say, I want them to attack for the press. Every day she come out and talk about unite, come together. Uno fi listen. It is a reason why me I tell you now. Because when uno go ready for unite, it go too late. Uno go want unite and can't unite. Uno hear how much millions Andrew only spend in the security forces. Uno hear how much million of dollars he spend for high powered gun. And how much he spend for healthcare and fire department? Talk truth. How much? This for sure, Uno. Wait there. Uno see the type of weapon them Andrew Honest them have. Uno see them type of weapon there where them have out them my wisdom warriors. How them are going to use that pan? If them can't use it pan the gunman them, who uno think them are going to use it pan? It come like uno no know say, this a prime minister where we have. It come like, hey, me there go say something, but me go leave it, make uno say it. Me tell you say Andrew Holness is a dangerous man. This man is not a prime minister. This man, it seems like this man is working with a criminal organization. Well, remember say Horace Strong was part of a criminal organization, and him are with deputy minister. And him are with national security minister. Horace Strong. What are they doing for the country? Andrew Holness was the same very person that come out and say, he might call upon the people of Jamaica. He is calling on the people of Jamaica to raise with voice against the government. My wisdom warriors, hear this.
All well-thinking Jamaicans should raise their voice in concert against the high levels of crime and against the government in not doing enough in controlling crime.
Wanna hear what the Prime Minister say? Wanna hear what the Prime Minister say, my wisdom warriors? This is why I'm telling us if you go out in the hundreds and on a taxi driver, when you see some taxi operator come out and say them a protest, hey, on a bill too, because you don't know when phone they come. So on a bill and show us our support. So on alone just love money. I tell myself for 1 day, 2 days, you can't protest. You tell me so you can't take 2 days off. When I did COVID and Andrew Holness say, nobody not fi out. Don't it enough to stay on the backside in. Eh? And this is about our life and our future. Una tell me say, una can't even take half a day and protest. Come on. Come on, Jamaica. What is really going on? What is really going on? My wisdom warriors, I am so disappointed within the police force. I am so upset with the police commissioner. When them not come out, and that a big shootout one on the grill. Yeah, when I look at the whole of them, you see. Yeah, now a policeman shoot a taxi man and then they come out and talk about how the man draw machete. On to rotted or lie. Me telling you say, me now come out here and pet and powder nobody. You understand? Me come out here and me talk truth and rights. Some people probably say it sound political. Me not care what uno want to say about political or truth and rights me deal with. So if my truth and rights, if me come out and me talk truth and rights, yeah, and una talk about me a take side, uno is foolish. Uno is foolish. And I want to know blogger know say, we're all co-workers. So uno fi stop throw a word pan bloggers. We're all co-workers. You understand? Nobody no more than nobody. Me tell you from now. We fi work together because this is how the devil work, you know. The devil use one blogger to get to the next blogger. Bloggers, uno fi bail more while. Uno fi bail because uno can't up today and down rotted well tomorrow. No for uno know that. No for uno know that. So we are all co-workers. Uno need to stop dashboard pan one another. Uno fi stop it, man. It is disgusting. Stop it. And also to my Jamaican people, to my brothers and sisters, the reason why me always a call upon uno to go out in on the numbers because me know it will work. If you go out in on the hundreds, the police then can't manage you know. This is why me encourage you know to go out. Police can't manage you know. When the police then see the whole of you come out, you know really think that the police can't manage you know? The police can't manage you know, but when you come out in a small numbers, yeah. You understand me? Because what Andrew Holness is doing now, he's just intimidating people. That is what Andrew Holness is doing. My wisdom warriors, a time for we take a stand. A time for us to take a stand. And I know me can't believe see a mass shooting happen. I mean I see people out of protest. So to me it's like really and truly that for show you where the country are going on. When nobody people afraid to go out. It's sad. It is really sad. Me can't believe say few Jamaica when me know we always have the warrior spirit. We don't have that anymore. We don't have that. I don't know. I don't know what is going on. I don't know what is going on, Jamaica. First, we have to unite. We have to unite Jamaica. We can do it. We do it before. And we can do it. Unite. take a stand. Stand up for truth and right. And we need justice. Justice for the missing children. Justice for the missing children. The kids that are going missing daily. We want justice for them. The people that are dying in the hospital. We want justice for them. We taxi operators. We want justice for them. We want justice, my wisdom warriors. We need justice. This is why we have to remove from the Privy Council. We can't say we want justice and I stay with Privy Council. Privy Council are for rich folks. I tell you all the time. Don't follow Andrew Holness, but stick with Privy Council. Andrew Holness, I get money. You hear what Andrew Holness say? Andrew Holness say he know who I do the KLLING in it. He know who is behind it. And he said the people them have money. So I know poor people I do it. Right? You hear say they arrest some youth in a Cherry Tree Lane. A Cherry Tree Lane the place name. But I want to make it clear. Those who them arrest and the people them will do the killing. Yeah, just to make that clear, because sometimes the headline them in the news media is just mad. When me telling you say it is just mad. That like it's just all a clickbait. And it surprised me how you have traditional media you doing clickbait. To me, it's just weird. You understand? We know YouTubers always do these things, but come on, when you have a traditional media, why are you doing clickbait? Why not do clickbait? Me just not get it, my wisdom warriors. Me just not get it. Just like how them come out and them say the prime minister, this man threatened the prime minister and his wife. But they only put, even when I was reading about it, they only say the man threatened the prime minister and his wife. The traditional media never put the man say I go kill off a whole of Clarendon people by next week. So that for sure to say, will life not important to them. But I'm going to talk about that in my next video, my wisdom warriors, all right? But before I close off, my wisdom warriors, I have something to tell you guys. Saturday is my birthday. So anyway, you all know now that Saturday will be my birthday. So if you want to drop nothing in the kitty, you just feel free to do so. So I'm going to put my PayPal in the comment section, and also I'm going to pin it, and I'm going to put my PayPal in the WhatsApp group. So guys, I want to remember, say Saturday will be my birthday. So I don't know, say me and Leo, I don't know the things that are ready right this. So anyway, like and share out this video. Remember guys, the more you like the video, the more you share out the video, the more YouTube send it around in the algorithm. Alright? So you just storm up the comment section. Tell me what you think about this. Tell me how you feel about it. And put an honest opinion in the comment section. Bless upon a nice clean self. One love.
Yeah,